In the pristine morning, as the sun rises over the horizon, Asia's broccoli fields don a lush green coat, glistening under the golden rays of dawn. This breathtaking landscape, a symbol of fertility, is also the result of the diligent hands of farmers. 129 million tons of broccoli annually, an impressive figure that not only highlights vast production but also reflects the perseverance, creativity, and pride of Asian farmers. Yet, the story extends far beyond the numbers. Each head of broccoli is a vivid testament to the harmony between tradition and modernity, between scientific knowledge and local identity. Today, we embark on a journey into this world, where the secrets of broccoli harvesting are unveiled, where diligent hands create miracles not widely known. The journey of broccoli begins with tiny seeds, holding infinite potential. Across the fertile plains of China, India, Vietnam, and many other nations, farmers do more than sow seeds. They plant hope, trust, and meticulous care into every step of cultivation. High-quality broccoli begins with the right seeds. In Japan, scientists have developed heat-resistant broccoli varieties that maintain crispness and high nutritional value. Meanwhile, Vietnamese farmers prefer traditional varieties suited to local climate and soil conditions. Once selected, the seeds undergo a special treatment. On large farms, farmers soak seeds in nutrient-rich solutions before drying them for planting. This process not only accelerates germination but also strengthens the seedlings against disease. The soil is crucial to broccoli's growth. In China's major growing regions, such as Shandong and Henan, fertile alluvial soil rich in minerals is common. Here, farmers practice crop rotation, alternating broccoli with rice or maize to enrich the soil. In Vietnam, the broccoli fields of De La hold a different secret: organic fertilizers made from coffee husks and decomposed leaves. This eco-friendly practice not only preserves the environment but also imparts a unique flavor to local broccoli. Broccoli requires meticulous care at every growth stage. In India, farmers irrigate their crops at precise times, maintaining optimal moisture while preventing waterlogging. Many employ drip irrigation systems, conserving water while ensuring uniform growth. When broccoli reaches its peak maturity, farmers begin harvesting, a process requiring not just labor but also skill, intuition, and years of experience. In small fields and hilly regions, farmers still rely on manual harvesting. Armed with sharp curved knives, they carefully cut each head of broccoli to avoid bruising and minimize damage to the plant base, ensuring it can produce another crop. On large farms in China and Japan, advanced harvesting machines are used. However, these machines do not harvest in bulk. Instead, they assist in selecting fully mature heads. Afterward, skilled workers inspect and sort each head manually. A little-known secret is that broccoli must be preserved immediately after harvest. In Japan, farmers use cold soaking, immersing broccoli in ice water for a few minutes to retain its freshness and natural color. In Vietnam, farmers wrap broccoli in fresh banana leaves, preserving its unique flavor. Few realize that broccoli harvesting follows a strict schedule. Studies show that the ideal time to harvest is early morning or late afternoon when temperatures are cooler. At some farms, broccoli is assessed using light-sensing technology to determine maturity and nutritional content. Developed in Japan, this ensures only the highest quality heads are harvested and sent to market. Producing 129 million tons of broccoli annually is not just an agricultural achievement, but an inspiring story of perseverance and innovation. Asia, accounting for over 60% of global broccoli production, plays a vital role in food security and public health improvement. The story of broccoli extends beyond vast fields. It's a human journey, a tale of hard-working farmers deeply connected to their land and crops. Their sweat cultivates the green hues of hope, enriching meals for millions of families worldwide. 129 million tons of broccoli, a proud number symbolizing the magic of labor and ingenuity. Remember, behind every piece of broccoli on your plate lies an intricate and moving story. Surprised, Asian farmers harvested 129 million tons of broccoli.